Vincent!
Pang ano yun, pang sugat. Di ba mahirap? Parang sa pana.
Hi! Dito na sigla na.
Wala siyang
Go to the side.
Vincent, say cheese!
Let's show it to mommy.
Show me your catch. You wanna hold it, Vincent?
Can I hold the fish?
Yeah, you can hold it. It's just a cute one.
No, I don't want to. Because it
You
might
hold
be
it.
slimy.
It's not slimy.
It's not slimy. Oh, you let go of the fish. Hold on the tail.
Sabi ko sa'yo mahirap. Yun, nandun kuya. Oo, that's the fish. Call the fish, Vincent.
No, I can't reel it because it's fighting. You have to wait.
Come little fishy. Be safe.
Come, little fishy.
Yeah, now it's tired.
Tama si kuya. Yung green naman daw makakahuli. Kuya, sabihin mo yung sayo makakahuli para yung sayo naman.
Unintentional naman na.
Ayan kuya, dali! Oh, it's a catfish!
Oh, it's big!
Yeah, it's a monster!
It's a monster!
Oh my! Hindi ko na naman mahila kanina.
It's a monster!
Oh, Vincent, careful! There's a net.
Come here, Vincent.
You maybe have a fish on this other line here, I think. Yeah, there's a fish right here.
Oh no, it's
Yeah. Or your line.
ano.
I just got caught.
Yeah, there was a fish right here.
Oh, right there? You can just net it.
Oh.
Oh my God. Vincent. Sige,
Vincent,
come
come
closer
here.
to daddy. Yes! Where's the ano? Oh! It's a walleye.
Hold it. Dali. Wow. See?
Oop.
It opens its mouth.
Good job, Vincent.
Take a picture, Vincent.
What fish is that?
It's a
Pickerel.
walleye.
That's the one who's taking Ninong's page.
Vincent, take a picture, Vincent.
It's a minnow. Hi guys, see you again next time.
Bye.